Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In this video, I'll share with y'all the Jamaican curry chicken and with rice. Looks pretty good. It is pretty good. I just want to share it with you guys. Here we go. Good. Have any of y'all ever had a curry chicken before? It's good. It's the Jamaican curry. It's real good. I want to share a little short video with you guys. That's all. It's real good though. Chicken very tender. So next time y'all out near Jamaican restaurant or something, y'all get us a try, man. Curry chicken and rice. It's delicious. Alright? Till next time, I'm out. Peace.